Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from Razor Emporium coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at D.R. Harris & Company. Well, the year is 1790 and D.R. Harris Company is getting its starts in a humble way. It was started by a guy named Daniel Rotley Harris and also a Henry Harris, and these guys were both a surgeon and the other one was a pharmaceutical chemist. And they started making some products on St. James Street. St. James Street, if you didn't know, was kind of like the center of London. It's where a lot of things were happening. People were making suits and tailors and barbers and chemists and all sorts of haberdasheries and other kind of fine life kind of thing happens around St. James Street. And so these guys are making some basic products like lavender water and English cologne. And pretty soon they find themselves with a whole product line around it. Again, with the background of being a surgeon, being a chemist back in the day, these guys were, mixing things up, making products for people, and they really got a name for themselves. By the early 1900s, these guys became the official chemist for the royalty, and today, we've been stocking the D.R. Harris line for, I think, over a year, maybe close to 2 years. I don't think we've done a product spotlight on them, so I was like, we got to do this. We got to get on this. I know I've personally used the Arlington in my bathroom for some time, and I actually finished the entire shave soap. As you guys know, finishing an entire shave soap means you really like a product. I just used it a few times. Great performing product. These guys are all about the all natural ingredients, real simple stuff, not a huge laundry list of things, real basic product. I like that they have the matching balms and aftershave products, so if you like a scent, you can really dive into it. They have different packaging configurations with the wood bowls, the plastic bowls. Even their packaging is recycled plastic. The glass stuff is recycled glass. These guys are super into the sustainability effort. So if a customer buys a product on their site, they plant a tree, and if a stockist like us places a big order, they plant 5 trees. So pretty cool that they have both the history and the pedigree of kind of this early English shaving soap company dating back to 1790, but then also today's modern movement of environmentally being conscious. So that's really cool. We're really happy to have them at our store, and let's take a few minutes to go through some of the scents that they offer. The lavender shaving soap has been fragranced with calming lavender. The bowl is hand-turned in beechwood and provides a lovely old-fashioned bathroom feature. The D.R. Harris Natural Shaving Soap is made with certified organic plant origin soap base, which has been super fatted by the addition of certified organic coconut oil. Sandalwood, a classic gentleman's fragrance with exotic and spicy notes of eucalyptus, bergamot, camphor, clove, and vetiver, amongst others, all extracted from natural oils. The Arlington, a classic blend of citrus and fern. Marlborough, a subtle blend of woods including cedar and sandalwood. Windsor, a fresh, complex fragrance which starts with overtones of citrus and grapefruit and matures into tones of black pepper and vetiver. Now this is the one I really liked. Spicy, masculine for sure. I like this one. Lightly fragranced with 29, a masterful blend of rose geranium, cinnamon, and clove. This top quality and richly concentrated cream contains a high proportion of glycerin for an extra soothing and moisturizing shave. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you've enjoyed learning all about D.R. Harris. If you haven't already done so, check them out. I think it's going to be something that you're going to be surprised by the quality, the richness of the lather, and the shave performance, the beneficial nature of the different aftershave products on your face. I think it's something that's going to grace your shave den and really be something enjoyable that you're going to hold on to. So check them out. If you have heard of D.R. Harris, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear what your favorite scent is and which one you like the best. So that's all I got. Thanks for tuning in to Razor Emporium, and we'll see you next time for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.